Hey, today's show is all about fun ideas for a date night. And if you're looking to go out for a date, we've got an idea. Joining me in the kitchen, Scott from Titletown Brewing. Good morning. Good morning. And he brought along a special guest, David from Primal Eats out of Gillette. Hey, David, good morning.
Good morning, Amy.
So you guys have teamed up together, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. But first, Scott, I got to tell you, I've been going to Titletown for years, and it is still going strong. You're doing things a little bit different,
yes.
But it's such an amazing space, and I've had so many wonderful times there over the years.
Yeah, I mean, right, Amy, we've been around for 25 years. We just celebrated our 25th anniversary this summer. We had a great time with that. We are still located downtown Green Bay. We've been just off of the old train depot. Now that got sold off, that restaurant, a couple of years ago, but we love our space right downtown. We've got 2 tap rooms. First floor tap room, which is more of a game hall, more of a European style setting. And then we have our 4th floor area. That is, for us, that's kind of the crown jewel. I mean, it's a beautiful area overlooking downtown Green Bay, overlooking the river. And, if you're ever looking for a date night, that's a perfect place to have it with the fun tables.
Absolutely. Or if you've got people coming in from out of town for the game, take them downtown, support local, take them to Titletown. It's just such a fun space, and it's a part of our Green Bay history. Yeah. And of course, it's all about the beer. Let's talk about your beer, and you've got a new one you're just releasing.
We are. So we've had our core beers around for a lot of years, and we have some really popular ones: Johnny Blood Red, Green 19, or 400 Honey. But we're coming out with new beers all the time. And for our Halloween party coming out in next week, we actually have a new beer called Red Rum, and it's an Imperial Red Ale. It's actually the special ingredient there is it's been infused with rum chips. So we worked with our friends over at Paradise North Distillery, got the rum chips, and we actually put that into the beer. So you really get a distinct rum flavor. It's great for a date night to get started as well.
I guess so. You can pick up one of these growlers, right?
The growlers are available at our tap rooms all the time when we're open.
Or you can get the cans at
cans are at most liquor stores in the area. So festivals, Woodman's, and the big liquor stores around town all have those cans as well.
I love it. I'm going to let you pour this beer, and we are going to talk to David. Primal Eats out of Gillette. You guys are getting rave reviews, and you guys are now teaming up with Titletown. So what's going on?
Well, that's what's really exciting is with Titletown now, we're bringing food where they didn't typically have some before. So some of the signature items from our restaurant out in Gillette we brought to Titletown. What you see in front of us is the jumbo German sausage, Philly style with some peppers on there, and of course aged cheddar.
That's just a little sausage. That is amazing, unbelievable. Wow, that looks really fun with one of the beers.
Oh, yeah,
what a pairing.
What's a great job with the guys from Primal Eats is the food that they have available down at Titletown now goes great with a lot of our different beers.
Yeah.
Particularly our maltier beers, so the Johnny Blood Red, which we have out, our Dark Helmet beer, which is out, and now the Red Rum, go fantastic with the selection that we have from Primal Eats down at our brewery.
Yum. David, what else are you guys going to be serving?
Well, down there we have of course, our mac and cheese, and you can get that plain or topped with brisket or pulled pork. Some other sandwiches are a Philly sandwich, again a brisket or pork in that, and we also have a BLT, which we made on your show before, so we have that venison bacon in there, and last but not least, a smoked beef brisket Reuben. Absolutely fantastic.
Oh my gosh! I mean, there's nothing better than a sandwich and beer and cheesy stuff like that. And I mean, I love supporting local. We have to support local and keep these guys doing the great things that they're doing. Real quick, you mentioned Halloween. What's going on for Halloween?
Well, we have a little Halloween party coming up this Friday. And at that time, we're going to be unveiling the Red Rum beer. So it's going to be a costume party, so feel free to stop by, try some of the new beers that we have going on. Feel free to bring in a costume as well, and we'll have a little party upstairs.
I love it. This is going to be a win-win. What a great combination.
We're glad to be here. We're very excited about it. We've been looking for that food option down at Titletown for some time now, and the guys from Primal Eats came in. It was just a great partnership right away.
Great fit. You guys know your food. You guys know your beer. Boom.
Can't go wrong.
Winner. Yeah, exactly. Thanks, guys, so much for sharing.
We
really appreciate it. Titletown Brewing, downtown Green Bay, now with lots of great food options to go with their amazing beer. And you got to try out the new beer, Red Rum.
Red Rum.
Ooh,
Rum.
Yummy.
From a famous scary movie.
I love it. Thanks again, guys.